When I passed out, the optometry was purely technical. What did it mean that the optometrists were not allowed to do the refraction in optical shops? Most of the optical shops, they had ophthalmologists visiting them, and optometrist's job was confined to spectacle making, marking of axis, and see that the spectacles are made as per the ophthalmologist. From 1958 onward till 2000, we were struggling with that image, and today I'm happy that optometrists are synonymous with prescription of glasses and prescription of contact lenses. They are best known for that. But one thing has changed between that time. When we practiced as optometrists, the contact lenses which were supposed to be medical device has degraded, and now it is a product which is sold as an over-the-counter product. So which has changed the image of optometry to a kind of just person prescribing glasses only. Well, last 5 years, from 2015 to 2020, I've seen optometry profession really taking a hit. When I'm talking of hit means I'm talking of employment opportunities. And there are lots of challenges that have come for optometry, and there's still more to come. So I want you to recognize those challenges first before I tell you what is the way forward from my perspective. See, online sales of glasses and contact lenses, it has really impacted optical sales of these products. And once the sales of products have gone down, the growth of optometry in private sector has really taken a hit. And optometrists are really facing this challenge, particularly those who want to establish their businesses. They find it very challenging to sell their spectacles and contact lenses because of online competitions. Companies like Lenskart, Lensmart, Coolwings, ClearTheFor.com. There's so many websites where you can get contact lenses at 25%, 30% discounts, which makes life of optometrists very difficult. Besides this, many of you may not know the new challenge the new challenge optometry is going to face is online eye exam. You know, this eye exam has been approved in US by FDA in 27 of their states, whereby a patient can get his eye exam done sitting in his office or sitting in his home just by looking at his computer and answering on his mobile phone on a remote device. There are 3 companies. I'll just give you the name. Alternative, as the name looks like, is called Alternative to Optometry. Then there is a company called Prescription Check, which checks the prescription of glasses in the similar way. And third company is Simple Contacts, which gives you the prescription of contact lenses and glasses. You don't need to visit an optometrist. Associations like American Optometry Association, which is supposed to be very strong with body and having a lot of lobby with politicians in US, they haven't been able to stop that. So I'm sure that once the technology comes to India, IOF or any other association will not be able to stop that. So optometry need to be aware that this technology exists, and we need to face it in very near future. Another threat which all of you need to understand is low cost effective devices. A company called Nitra G, it has office in MIT, US, and they have done a clinical trials and made a prototype of a product whereby the product looks like this. A person looks into this instrument and gets his prescription of glasses instant. And I was surprised.